मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमा नन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अद्वैत सिद्धि। We are starting a new topic now. प्रतिकूल तर्क विचार है। This प्रतिकूल तर्क विचार है, there are 8 tarkas which will be discussed by Purvapakshi. All will be elaborately refuted. 50 pages this topic is a long topic. ननु मिथ्यात्व अनुमानम प्रतिकूल तर्क पराहतम. Purvapakshi says your मिथ्यात्व अनुमानम प्रपंचो मिथ्या दृश्यत्वात् रज्जु सर्पवत्. It is refuted or obstructed by pratikula tarka. तथा ही विश्वं यदि कल्पितम स्यात् सत्याधिष्ठानम स्यात् न च एवं. If Vishwa was kalpitam satyadhishthanam syat. Satyadhishthanam, what is the samas vigraha?
Adhisthanam yasya.
Satyam. Satyam
Adhisthanam
yasya.
Vishwam.
Vishwasya. Tad Vishwam satyadhishthanam. So then Vishwa should have satyadhishthanam, but that is not the case. Siddhanta will say, how there is no satyadhishthanam? He says, adhisthana definition, what do you give? सामान्यतो ज्ञातत्वे सति अज्ञात विशेषवत्व से अधिष्ठानत्व प्रयोजकस्य. सामान्यतः ज्ञातत्वे सति अज्ञात विशेषवत्व. This is adhisthana. And you give this example in case of Rajju Sarpa or Shukti Rajata. Idam Amsha is known, but Shukti Amsha is not known. Then that becomes Adhishthanam for Rajatam. He says, yes. This Prayojaka, he says, in Nirvisheshe Nissamanya cha Brahmani Asambhavat. In Brahma, which is Nirvishesha Nissamanya, where is the question of Samanya and Vishesha? Samanya to Jnatatve Sati Ajnata Visheshatvam. This Adhisthana Prayojakatvam is not present there. Iti chet. Siddhanti says, na. Swarupena Jnatatve Sati Visheshena Ajnatatvasya Adhishthanatva Prayojakattvena. Ajnata Visheshavattvasya Aprayojakatvat. He says, you didn't understand what is the Prayojaka. Prayojaka is Swarupena Jnatatve Sati Visheshena Ajnatatvam. What did Purvapakshi said? Samanyato Jnatatve Sati Ajnata Visheshavatvam. What is the difference? Purvapakshi says, I am saying the same thing. Siddhanti says, no, you don't know what you are saying. When you say Samanyataha Jnatatve Sati Ajnata Visheshavatvam, Ajnata Visheshavatvam is also Bahuvrihi. Ajnatam Visheshavatvam Yasya. Tad Ajnata Okay. So, Purvapakshi thinks it has, Adhisthana has two aspects, Samanya aspect, Vishesha aspect. Samanya aspect is known. Samanya Amsha becomes known. Vishesha Amsha is not known. We say this is true in case of Rajju Sarpa if you apply this literal definition. But what we mean is this, Swarupena Jnata, Visheshena Ajnata. That means we don't expect that the Adhishthanam has two different amshas, Samanya Amsha and Vishesha Amsha. We say Swarupena Jnatatvam, Visheshena Ajnatatvam. Did you understand the difference? Do you get it? What I am trying to say?
No, Swamiji.
Purvapakshi thinks whatever is the Adhisthana, it has two parts, Samanya part, Vishesha part. See, Samanya part is known, Vishesha part is not known. This Lakshana will not go in Brahma because Brahma doesn't have parts. Siddhanti says, Swarupena Jnatam. It is not that it has parts. See, one thing only, without parts. Swarupena Jnatam, Visheshena Ajnatam. Means Vishesha aspect is not known. That is not what we are saying. Swarupena Jnatatve Sati Visheshena Ajnatatva. This is Adhishthanatva Prayojaka. So that means it doesn't have to have parts. The person who is trying to know, he knows one aspect, he doesn't know the other aspect. But the object doesn't have parts. It is not that I know the front side, but I don't know the back side. Like how we saw in the previous topic, Sattva aspect is there, Bhana aspect is there. Sattva aspect is known, Bhana aspect is not known. But that doesn't mean there is a division in the Ghata. That Ghata Sattva aspect is different and Ghata Bhana aspect is different. The Jnanam is taking place in this way. Asattva Padaka Avaran is gone, Abhana Padaka Avaran is not gone. But you can't say this part is Asattva Padaka, that part is Abhana Padaka. Now you understood?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
Yes, Swamiji.
So the Prayojaka, Adhishthanatva Prayojaka is Swarupena Jnatatve Sati Visheshena Ajnatatva. And therefore, Ajnata Visheshavattvasya Aprayojakatvat. What Purvapakshi said as Prayojaka, that is not the Prayojaka. Purusho Nava iti samshaya dharminah sthanorapi anyatra jnata sthanutva rupa visheshavatvat tatra ajnata visheshavatvam api na prayojakam. Purusho Nava. Sthanu va Purusho va. So there if somebody has this doubt. Purusho Nava. Is this Purusha or not? Samshaya dharminah sthanoho api. Anyatra jnata sthanutva rupa visheshavatvat. Anyatra means elsewhere or at other time, you know it is sthana. At that time you are wondering whether it is Purusha or sthana. Jnata sthanutva rupa visheshavatvat tatra ajnata visheshavatvam api na prayojakam. So there ajnata visheshavatvam, what Purvapakshi had said, you remember the second line in Advaita Siddhi, this topic. Ajnata visheshavatvam vatvasya adhishthanatva prayojakam. You see, in that case also it is not like that. Visheshavatvena ajnatatvasya lagutvena prayojakam. Visheshavatvena ajnatattvam. Not Vishesha part is not known. Visheshavatvena ajnatattvam. So Vishaya doesn't have Samanya Vishesha, these two bheda. The general idea I get, but Vishesha specifics I don't have. Like, you take simple example. Let's say somebody is there, some new Mahatma has come or new Vidyarthi has come. Do you know this person? Yes, I know. Do you really know? No, I don't know. Means Samanya Jnanam I have. Swarupena Jnatatvesa. Visheshana Ajnata. Now you cannot say in that object there are two parts. One part I know, other part I don't. Like that. तथा च निस्सामान्य निर्विशेषे च ब्रह्मणि स्वप्रकाशत्वेन ज्ञानात् परिपूर्णत्व आनंदत्वादिना च अज्ञानात् अधिष्ठानत्वम उपपन्नम. So in निर्विशेष ब्रह्म, निस्सामान्य निर्विशेष ब्रह्म, स्वप्रकाशत्वेन ज्ञानात्, the prakasha aspect of it is known, jnana, but paripurnatva anandatvadina cha ajnana. Like, I do not know myself as paripurna ananda swarupa, paramananda swarupa. I know myself only as asmi janami, in this ami. So I become adhishthanam. I chaitanya become adhishthanam. Adhishthanatvam upapannam. Vastutastu kalpita samanya visheshavatvam brahmani api sulabhameva. Now Siddhanti said, okay, if you think you are not agreeing with this vishesha samanya, let us do this. In Brahma, everything is kalpitam. Samanya vishesha aspect is also kalpita. Kalpitatvam sulabham. Kalpita samanya visheshatvam, visheshavatvam, brahmani api sulabham. Everything is superimposed. This samanya vishesha aspect also you can superimpose and then say one is known, another is not. But that is not the main way we want to explain, but this way also we can explain. Akalpita samanya visheshavatvam cha aprasiddha. Because wherever in Brahma, samanya vishesha we talk about, it will be kalpita only. So, akalpita is aprasiddham. Kalpitam is anyway prasiddham. If this ahankara in Brahma is kalpita and is raising questions, other ahankara, guru ahankara, which is kalpita in Brahma, is giving answers, then why can't we do other kalpana also? If these two are also kalpita and prashna uttara samvada is happening, other things also can be there. What is the harm? Entire samsara is kalpita, add two more things. Na cha tat kalpane anyanya ashraya. And in that kalpana, anyanya ashraya is not there. Kalpita samanya visheshanam pravaha anaditvat. First you do samanya kalpana, then there will be vishesha. Because vishesha is only with respect to samanya. And samanya is with respect to vishesha. So when samanya is there, vishesha will be there. When vishesha is there, samanya will be there. You say there is anyanya ashraya, tat kalpane. He says no, kalpita samanya visheshanam pravaha anaditvat. Individual, they are kalpita, like bija ankura, but pravaha is anadi. So there, you don't focus on the vyakti, you focus on the pravaha. Like in Alata Shanti Prakaranam, Mandukya, we have already seen. Hetu phala, this is the same thing. Sattvanandatvadinam eva kalpita vyakti bhedena samanyatvat. Sattva anandatvadi, they have kalpita vyakti bheda. Samanya. They are Kalpita Vyakti Bhedena Samanyatva. I mean, they are available. That is a Samanya aspect which is known. Paripurna Anandatvadinam cha Visheshatva, which is not known. That I am Paripurna. I don't need anything. I am Paripurna. Sometimes you get this feeling, I am Paripurna. I don't need anything. Then as that feeling becomes more and more and intense, the desire to interact with anything, desire to have anything, to accomplish anything is not there. Paripurnatva. And Anandatva means Purna Ananda. विशेषत्व अतएव सामान्याकार ज्ञानम विना संस्कार अनुद्बोधात् कथम अध्यास इति न वाच्य. So then if somebody says samanya akar jnanam vina sanskara anudbodat sanskara udbodhanam will not happen, how there is adhyasa, katham adhyasa iti na cha vachya. Sadatmana swarupa jnanasya eva samanya jnanatvat. Sadatmana swarupa jnanasya eva samanya jnanatvat. As sat, sadatmana Swarupa jnana seva samanya jnana. Swarupa jnanam itself is samanya jnana. Sadrupena. Nahi adhyasaniyam sadatmana na bhati. Adhyasaniyam means what is superimposed. That will become known. Known means when pramana vyapar happens, then it becomes known. Sadatmana na bhati iti na means bhati eva. But there is a difference. Beautiful. Etavan eva vishesha. Yad adhishthanam swatah eva sadatmana bhati. What is adhishthanam? Swatah eva sadatmana bhati. Adhyasaniyam tu tat sambandhat bhati. So adhisthana illumination is by itself. Adhyastha illumination is because it is in touch with, or it is adhyastha in adhisthana. Adhishthanam swata eva sadatmana bhati. Adhyasaniyam tu tat sambandhat. This is one. One more point we should note. Brahma Chaitanya, even if it is covered by Ajnanam, it has the ability to illumine. Brahma Chaitanya, even if it is covered by Ajnanam, it has the ability to illumine the world. Pramana Jnanam, Pramana Chaitanyam, only when it is uncovered, it is able to illumine the Vishaya. So there is a bheda between Brahma Chaitanya and Pramana Chaitanya, you call, or Pramata Chaitanya. Unless Avarana Bhanga takes place, Pramata doesn't know things. But Brahma, with Avarana also, it has the ability to illuminate. It is different. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.